Hi, my name's Ellen Holmes. I'm 9 years old, and recently I got interested into 4-H projects. Last year was my first year in 4-H, and I raised New Zealand rabbits. I did meat pen and rabbits last year, and I got 4th place in meat pens, and then I got 1st place in beginner showmanship. Last year we built this rabbit hutch, and our family is very into making things. Like, I made a desk with my dad, I made shelves with my dad, and at this moment we're building a boat. Last year after the fair I was thinking that I could take on some more responsibility, so I was thinking goats would be a good second project for me. And we need a way for housing our ghosts because they don't like being in rain. So we're thinking of building a barn right here, so we need to do some site preparation, and that includes cutting down this old apple tree. Cut down the tree, and this is what's left. And then now we're going to finish up cutting up the tree, and then we're going to lay out where we want to put the barn. Cut down, and we're ready to have an excavator come to flatten the ground. So these 4 stakes right here is going to be the inside, like the main barn, and that's where the goats and the decks are going to be. These 4 stakes over here is going to be a porch or a deck, whatever you want to call it, and then that's where the rabbits are going to hang. I just jumped over a tree stump. Yeah. We're going to use it as some form of decoration in the barn. Next up is a lot more planning and building, because I have to learn how to fill out our building permit, and then we have to get a list together for materials. Thanks for watching. Bye!